class 7. So today we are going to discuss about electric potential difference and electric potential energy. So electric potential energy and electric potential. Consider a source charge plus Q fixed at a point in origin. Then another test charge plus Q, that is Q dash, this one is Q, placed at a point R. We are applying some force to shifting a charge from here to, from R to P. So P is a point. So we are going to find the electric potential at the point P due to the source charge plus Q. So we are applying some force. So the object is moved from R to P. Some work is done. That work done is stored as potential energy. So what's my potential energy? Simply we write potential energy is equal to mgh. So energy possessed by a body by which of its position is called or state of strain is potential energy. In gravitation, consider a mountain, a stone is here. It have a mass, a gravitational force acts downwards towards the earth. We are shifting the mass to a height h. Now the potential energy at the point, it's 1, it's 2. So potential energy at the point 2 is greater than 1 because it is lifted to a height h. So they have a mass, they have a gravitational force, but if you push it, that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. So potential energy depends upon the height in gravitation, but in electric potential energy, here positive charge, here one positive charge. So like charges repel. If you bring the positive charge towards another positive charge, there is a repulsive force acts between them. So what is the repulsive force? So the force it repels, so between Q and Q dash. To overcome the repulsive force, we need to apply some more external force. So work done is equal to, so again we need to go for some basic. So work done equal to force into displacement. Small work done is equal to force into small displacement. So total work done equal to integral FdR. So we are using this formula. Work done is equal to integral FdR. Here we are using some external force. So the charge is moved from R to P. So that external force is equal to minus F Coulomb force. We are applying force, external force in this direction, but due to the like charges, there is a repulsive force acts in opposite direction. That repulsive force is Coulombic repulsive force. So it's Coulomb force. So it acts in opposite direction. So F external is equal to minus F Coulomb. Then we know due to the point charge, the force F is equal to QE. Here the Coulomb force, so it's in opposite direction, it's minus QE. So Q dash E. So we need to use that Coulomb force instead of external. So work done W is equal to integral from R to P. F external, instead of F external we use Coulomb force. So F Coulomb, that's minus, so it's dr. Again F Coulomb is equal to, it's minus QE. So it's from R to P, the integral is from R to P. We are shifting the charge from R to P. So it's minus E, taking out Q, that's Q dash, it's dr. So work done already told, work done is also called potential energy. So potential energy, already told, potential energy is the energy possessed by a body by which of its position or state of strain. Here there is a repulsive force. So we are pushing towards the positive charge. What is the potential energy at R, at P? So potential energy at P is UP, then potential energy at R is UR, that is change in potential energy. Here at potential energy UP is greater than UR. Then the del U is equal to work done. So work done is equal to again from R to P. So Q dash minus E dot dr. So potential energy difference is equal to work done to shift a charge. The charge is positive from R to P. Again, difference in potential energy divided by the charge, unit charge is equal to, so Q dash cancel, you will get minus E dot dr from R to P. So that is equal to change in potential. Here potential energy is change in potential. What's the change in potential? Potential at P and potential at R. So Vp minus Vr is equal to del V. So del V is also equal to del U by Q dash. You can write it as del U is equal to del V into Q dash, or del V is equal to del U by Q dash. Both are same in different form. And finally, so we are related that potential, that is electric potential and potential energy. Then we are shifting a charge from R to P. It's the formula is from integral R to P minus E dr. But if we are shifting a charge from infinity, so what is the formula? So the change in potential, that's V del V is equal to, that is work done. So integral E dot dr from infinity to the finite distance, it's P. So it's a final, we need to use that symbol minus sign. So that is change in potential del V is equal to minus integral infinity to the point P. Then from this, what are the things we are discussed now? So find the electric potential energy difference and electric potential. Then what is the unit of potential? So del V is equal to del U by Q dash. What is the unit of energy? It's joule. So unit of electric potential, so joule. So what is the unit of charge? Is coulomb. So joule coulomb power minus 1. But practically we are using its volt. So instead the scientist name volta. So we are using the unit of electric potential is volt or voltage.